Hey Reg, what's going on? It's Luke down here at LA Nissan, currently the #1 rated Nissan store in the entire country according to our Google reviews. So that definitely means we pride ourselves when it comes to any sort of customer service. Now, behind me, I have that gorgeous 2015 Jeep Wrangler that you were interested in. Now, this bad boy is going to be sitting at about 35,000 kilometers up front. You are going to have your scratch-proof and shatterproof headlights, as well as your tow hooks down on the bumper here with your fog lights. Coming around to the side, you do have your Wrangler tires on here. These things are in great shape. You got a ton of tread left. Another great thing about these mud tires is that they're not going to make a whole ton of road noise for you like most other mud tires. Looking into the interior, in very, very good shape. Like I said, it's sitting at about 34,687 kilometers. You are going to have that 6-speed manual transmission in here for yourself, as well as your cruise control, everything like that. Soft top is done on this Jeep for you too. Coming around to the back, full-size spare for you, which is rare. Usually they just come with a little donut tire. You're going to have your tow hook here on the back for you as well. Tailgate does lock here. Grab the key and give you a quick sneak peek of the little cargo area here for yourself, Reg. So you are going to have a decent bit of space back here for yourself as well. Those seats are going to fold down if you need them to. So, Reg, I already know you're going to love this thing. It's pretty hard not to. This Jeep's in amazing shape. So just let me know when you can come down here, take this thing for a spin, and enjoy some free Starbucks. 780-769-0060. Thanks.